Okay, so people are directing me, but I am still lost. I'm trying to get to this mall, but I think I'm doing something wrong. I need to go down an escalator and then up somewhere. Ah, I see it now. Do I see it? No, I don't see it. I do see it. The amount of 7-Elevens, it's insane. So you go down this escalator that runs underground, and then it will carry you across to this mall. Let's go for the journey. It's really neat. If I get lost, I could get refund. We're doing this. We're doing this. Okay, now I'm a little bit confused and a little bit afraid because I am possibly, could be, lost. Okay, so I went the wrong way. Now we are recalibrating and hopefully going the right way. And I am finding it. I don't think I was prepared for this. Seems like an entire market down here. Let us lose ourselves in the bullshit. Okay, this turned into something else entirely. What the hell do I want? The thing is, I have no idea what this is and if I should want it or not. It's colorful, so of course I want it, but I have no idea what the fuck it is. These look like itsy bitsy tacos, and if they are, I am in love. I am in love if this is what this is. What is this?
Coconut sauce.
Coconut?
Yeah. Whipped cream without cream.
Oh, okay. I smell something familiar. Homemade bread. That's what I know. Chocolate matcha. No. Yeah, you choose. You choose. Yeah?
This one.
Yeah, just one. You know what? Choose two. Choose two.
Yeah. I see.
Why not? Hi. Cashew, how much?
Original 330 baht, half kilo.
Okay.
Small size 200 baht.
Okay. Small. So it is the, let me see,
300.
300.
Any no.
Oh. Oh my god, they are getting me here. For sure, for sure. Is this sugar? It's a brownie strawberry. This looks like guava. This looks like strawberry. This looks like they're taking my money. Are these buns? This is crazy sweet. Yes. Yes. I think this is the first thing that I'm passing on. Ooh. How much? 80. 80? Sorry?
How many?
2. 1 and 1. I cannot be trusted while I'm hungry and out. I'm just buying beer shit. My hands are packed. What is this?
That's squid.
Huh?
Squid.
Squid. How much?
Squid.
And this?
Pork. This pork.
How much?
110 baht.
Try 1, 2. 1, 2. God, what is this? This is food. Good. Food. Why does this look like pasta? And for my sushi fans, I am Not a fan of sushi, but for you guys who do. So this is the last food purchase of the day. They do it a lot of white rice. Okay, so this will be lunch. What's the time? Shit. This will be lunch dinner. Didn't realize it was this damn late.